Every battery has a secret. Some die young, not because they are weak, but because they are charged the wrong way. The truth is, the same charging process that gives life to one battery can silently destroy another. Before you connect that charger again, remember, not all charging stages are meant for all batteries. Some modern charger goes through 4 stages: bulk, absorption, float, and equalization. Each stage determines how much energy your battery stores and how long it will last. The first stage is called the bulk stage. Here, the charger delivers maximum current, restoring about 80% of capacity. Think of it as a hungry battery refilling fast. This stage is safe for all lead-acid, e.g. AGM, gel, tubular, and also for lithium-ion when properly regulated. But excess current or heat buildup can shorten battery life. The second stage is the absorption stage. The charger holds a constant voltage while the current slowly drops. This carefully fills the remaining 20% of the charge. Lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries benefit greatly from absorption. For lithium-ion, once cells reach full voltage, charging must stop immediately. Lithium batteries don't need to stay at full charge. The third stage is the float stage, a maintenance phase. The charger lowers voltage to maintain a full charge. Lead-acid batteries love this stage. It prevents self-discharge. But for lithium-ion, float charging is harmful. Keeping them at 100% increases internal stress, degrading electrodes and electrolyte. Over time, this causes capacity loss and early failure. That's why lithium batteries prefer between 40 and 80% most of the time. The fourth stage is equalization, only for flooded lead-acid batteries. The charger briefly raises voltage above normal to balance cells. It helps remove sulfation and restores weak cells. Never equalize sealed batteries like GL, AGM, or lithium. It can cause gas buildup, swelling, or even explosions. Each battery type has its preferred charging stages. Flooded lead-acid uses all 4 stages, including periodic equalization. AGM and GL use only the first 3 stages. Lithium-ion uses just 2, bulk and absorption. Choosing the wrong profile can silently damage your battery over time. Your charger isn't just a power source, it's the doctor of your battery. Program it right, and your batteries will last for years. Ignore it, and they'll die quietly before their time. Knowledge is power, but only when you use it wisely. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. Share it with others using solar batteries. Follow CCIJ-TECH Hub for more lessons on solar, inverters, and renewable energy, because one wrong charging stage can cost a fortune.